Late Dr. Vareso Ningshen is undoubtedly one of the pillars of Tangkhul community. His sudden and untimely demise is like a burning candle being snuffed out from our community. Himself and a thinker ever willing to contribute energy and resources for his people, Dr. Ningshen was closely associated with Tangkhul Naga and had been rendering invaluable to our society. As an active member of Constitution Review Committee, he was a regular elderly person attending the review meeting of Tangkhul Constitution. He never fails whenever we had our review committee meeting. And all the time, he remained as a cornerstone for preservation and promotion of our traditional practices, customary laws, thereby upholding practices and customary laws. And also the unique history, culture, and polity of our people. His untimely departure from amongst us and emotionally weak and intellectually a vacuum is created in our society. For all the good things that he's done, God will surely bless upon him and his family left behind. And as president of Tangkhul Nagalong, I would definitely feel the absence. And as a person from the Tangkhul southern part of Tangkhul, I will miss him a lot in times of need. Whenever I require the advices, suggestions, I have been taking the advice and suggestions from Dr. Absence now forever. Is the Tangkhul, and particularly for me as a person from the southern Tangkhul, we will continue to uphold in our prayer to the bereaved family, that is his wife and 6 children, and of course we will miss him because of his absence.
And I will give time to Mr. Wanglar Thiirtung Monsang, President-ANSAM.
I would like to appreciate the Tangkhul Baptist Church, Imphal, TKLI, were not able to come together physically due to the pandemic. I, on behalf of the All Naga Student Association Manipur, brings greetings to a bereaved family and all the respected participants. Yes, as all the Naga student associations are beyond to express the loss of our late Dr. Vareso Ningshen, who is an erudite scholar, who was a mentor and a strength to the, and he was a teacher not only to the student community, but to everyone who saw his knowledge and expertise. He guided with humility and charisma that is special to learn and a God-fearing person. He understood the movement like no other. He propounded coexistence, but never took the middle path. He boldly shared that the Nagas, even the Nagas flags and a constitution is not an anathema to coexistence. Rather, it was a path to greater self-determination of every people. He did not hesitate to discourse openly within and beyond the state and encourage the same to all. In him, we have lost a man who had clarity of visions and who walked the talk. Today, the All Naga Student Association Manipur salute his noble service. We also offer our deepest tributes and condolence to his wife and the children and to the fraternity he built across communities and affiliations. Though his departure is an end to his physically work, but not to his ideas and visions. Today, on behalf of the All Naga Students Association Manipur, we convey a tribute to his gentle soul. Let his soul rest in peace. May God bless us all. Once again, thank you everyone. And so sorry for the videos because my network is not that good. Anyway, it is a privilege once again for giving me a time. Good night, President-ANSAM.
I bow down and show my deepest respect to the family of late Dr. Vareso Ningshen. I am here, Reverend Somi Chithung, Mission Secretary of Southern Tangkhul Baptist Association. I, on behalf of the association, would like to express our heartfelt condolence, a few words to the family and to the late Dr. Vareso Ningshen and to you all. Dr. Vareso Ningshen, he was someone whom we look always upon with confidence to solve any matter and any problem. He served in the association as an executive counselor. He was there as a drafting committee and leading us in drafting the complete set of constitution of the association. He was there, served as a peace committee, and he worked in so many conflicts zone in such a situations of the in varieties issues. At the same time, he was there to advise to the associations and particularly to the leadership of the association, whom his great concern and his great love he expresses always toward us. Today, with much unbearable grief and with enormous pain, we feel such a great vacuum in our life. Without him, it is really challenging for us to take and to solve any matter in the future. But we hope and we do believe that our God Almighty, with his great concern, with his almighty knowledge, with his omniscient power, he will guide us and lead us till the end. And today, I, on behalf of the association, with great grief and with great gratitude at the same time, we express our heartfelt condolences to the Madam Tim Rapi and our family. I know that there are no words good enough to express and say to take away the pain that we go through, especially the family. But please do know that our thoughts and prayer are with you always, and our concern and love will remain till the end. And our association will never forget. If God ever give us a chance and relax and take away this COVID-19 in the coming days or in the near future, surely we will come to your home and we will pray with you. We will cry together. We'll laugh together. We shall express our sincere thanks and gratitude even in person. With that hope and soon with that expectation, let me end up my short condolence message here. Thank you so much, the Tangkhul Baptist Church Imphal, for giving me, on behalf of the association, to express few words. Thank you.